Hello everyone! Today I'm here to help you break down the differences between Songbird's Sports Massage Wax and Songbird's Fascial Release Super Grip Wax. So, if you're new here and you're wondering what wax to use for your treatments, or maybe you're a seasoned professional and just wanting to know the differences, then I'm here to break that down for you.
Before talking about the differences between the waxes, I want to first explain grip strength and what it means. Grip strength in Songbird massage wax refers to how much the wax sticks to the skin, allowing the therapist to work deeper into the muscle with more control. The stronger the grip, the more friction it creates, which is perfect for techniques like deep tissue work or myofascial release. Songbird offers a range of waxes, each with varying grip strengths to suit different massage needs. For more information on the wax, the sizes and the different grip strengths, click the links below.
Kicking it off with the Sports Massage Wax. The Sports Massage Wax is known as the all-rounder. It is fantastic for all different variety of treatments, from your deep tissue specific trigger point work to your sports pre and post event work. You can use it across a variety of different techniques. Its feel is smooth and balanced with about a 5 out of 10 on its grip strength, meaning that it's versatile. You can use it for the specific, more precise work, but also gives you scope to work more into your fluid treatments that you might see in your clinic. The wax is infused with a manuka and lemon essential oil, giving you a more fresh, neutral scent, which makes for it to be smelling as good as what it feels. Next up, we're talking about the Fascial Release Wax by Songbird Super Grip for the more precise work. If you see clients for myofascial release, your myofascial work, any trigger point pain pattern work, working deeper, more precise pain patterns, things like that, this massage wax is for you. Its grip strength is 10 out of 10, meaning that it is perfect for the more precise, specific work. You want to be choosing this wax for more slow, controlled techniques. So, which one are you choosing? If you're wanting an all-rounded massage wax for all different types of treatments, then your Sports Massage Wax is the one for you. If you're wanting something that is more tailored and specific to your client's needs, more in-depth with myofascial release work, or specific in its nature, you're looking at the Fascial Release Wax. Both waxes are 100% natural and nut-free, and either wax also offers a vegan alternative, so there's something there for everyone. If the tub size is ranging from 100 grams upwards, you can find something that will cater for your needs in clinic. So whether you're working in clinic with your clients or at an event for a specific sporting event, or you're using the wax on yourself, picking the right massage wax makes all the difference. We'd love to hear about which one you choose.